How to fix smart lock not working in Huawei Mate 70. So let's start the video. First of all, restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then click on restart. After restart your device, then open settings and scroll down and click on apps. And again click on apps and scroll down and click on Google Play Services and click on storage. Now here you can clear the cache memory. After clear the cache memory, then go back and scroll down and click on system and updates and then click on software update. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After that, go back and click on reset and click on reset all settings. And again click on reset all settings. After reset all the settings, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.